Space, the final frontier, a realm of infinite wonder and unimaginable dangers. For us mere humans, venturing into this unforgiving expanse requires a technological guardian, a suit of armor engineered to withstand the vacuum of space, shield against radiation, and provide the life-sustaining elements we take for granted on Earth. This, my friends, is the extraordinary realm of spacesuits. Spacesuits are not just garments, they are personalized spacecraft. They are meticulously crafted masterpieces of engineering, each component a testament to human ingenuity. They embody the delicate balance between protection and mobility, enabling astronauts to explore the cosmos while ensuring their survival. Join me now as we embark on a journey to uncover the secrets behind these technological marvels. We'll delve into the intricate layers, explore the advanced materials, and marvel at the precision required to create a suit capable of withstanding the harshest conditions known to humanity. Imagine yourself floating in the vacuum of space. The temperature swings wildly between extreme heat and bone-chilling cold. You're bombarded by radiation and micrometeoroids, tiny projectiles zipping at incredible speeds. And of course, there's the lack of breathable air. A spacesuit is your only barrier against certain death. First and foremost, a spacesuit acts as a portable life support system. It provides a constant supply of oxygen and removes the carbon dioxide we exhale. Without this vital function, an astronaut would quickly lose consciousness and perish. But it's not just about breathing. A spacesuit also regulates temperature, preventing the astronaut from overheating in direct sunlight or freezing in the shadow of a celestial body. This thermal regulation is crucial for maintaining a stable body temperature and ensuring the astronaut can function effectively. Furthermore, spacesuits provide protection from the hazards of micrometeoroids and radiation. These tiny particles, traveling at thousands of miles per hour, can puncture a suit and cause serious harm. Spacesuits are designed with multiple layers to mitigate this risk. A spacesuit is a complex assembly of various layers, each serving a distinct purpose. Let's peel back these layers, like an onion, to understand their individual roles in creating a habitable microenvironment within the suit. The outermost layer acts as the first line of defense against micrometeoroids and extreme temperatures. It's made of tough, durable materials like Nomex and Kevlar, known for their resistance to punctures and tears. Beneath this protective shell lies the thermal layer. This layer is crucial for maintaining a comfortable temperature for the astronaut. It's often made of mylar, a reflective material that helps regulate heat. Then comes the pressure layer, which is essentially a giant balloon that inflates to create a pressurized environment for the astronaut to breathe. This layer is made of airtight materials like neoprene-coated nylon, and prevents the astronaut's bodily fluids from boiling in the vacuum of space. Underneath the pressure layer we have the restraint layer. This layer helps maintain the suit's shape and prevents it from ballooning uncontrollably when inflated. Finally, the innermost layer, the comfort layer, ensures the astronaut's comfort during long spacewalks. It's often made of soft, breathable materials that wick away moisture and provide a snug fit. A tapestry of advanced materials. The creation of a spacesuit is a testament to material science, employing a range of advanced fabrics and composites to achieve the seemingly impossible. Each material is carefully selected for its unique properties, ensuring the suit can withstand the harsh realities of space. Nomex and Kevlar, renowned for their use in fire-resistant clothing, form the tough outer layers of a spacesuit, providing exceptional protection against micrometeoroids and extreme temperatures. Their high tensile strength and heat resistance make them ideal for withstanding the rigors of spacewalks. Mylar, a thin and lightweight material with excellent thermal insulation properties, is used in the thermal layer. Its ability to reflect heat radiation helps regulate the astronaut's temperature, preventing overheating from the sun's rays. Neoprene-coated nylon, known for its airtight properties, is a crucial component of the pressure layer. It forms a barrier that prevents air leakage, maintaining the pressurized environment necessary for the astronaut's survival. Silicone rubber, prized for its flexibility and resistance to extreme temperatures, is used in various parts of the suit, including gloves and seals. Its ability to form an airtight seal makes it essential for maintaining the suit's integrity. The alchemy of spacesuit manufacturing, from concept to creation. The journey of a spacesuit from the drawing board to the launch pad is a meticulous dance of engineering, craftsmanship, and rigorous testing. It all begins with a concept, a vision of a suit tailored to the specific requirements of a mission, be it a spacewalk, lunar exploration, or a journey to Mars. Once the concept is solidified, computer-aided design, or CAD, software takes center stage, creating intricate three-dimensional models of the suit. These digital blueprints are then used to create prototypes, allowing engineers to test the suit's fit, function, and ergonomics. The fabrication process itself is a marvel of precision and attention to detail. Specialized machines cut the various layers of fabric with micrometer precision, ensuring a perfect fit. The layers are then meticulously assembled, using a combination of sewing, heat sealing, and bonding techniques to create a seamless and airtight structure. The integration of life support systems, communication devices, and other critical components is a delicate orchestration of engineering disciplines. Each element must be carefully integrated to ensure the astronaut's safety and the suit's overall functionality. Overcoming the challenges in spacesuit design. Designing and building a spacesuit is not without its challenges. These technological marvels must overcome numerous hurdles to ensure the safety and comfort of the astronauts who rely on them. One of the primary challenges is the sheer complexity of these suits. With hundreds of interconnected components, each performing a critical function, the margin for error is razor thin. Every seal, every seam, every connection point must be flawlessly executed to prevent leaks, malfunctions, or catastrophic failures. Another hurdle is the need for customization. Spacesuits are not one-size-fits-all. They must be tailored to the individual astronaut's body measurements to ensure a snug and comfortable fit. This customization process adds another layer of complexity to the manufacturing process. Weight is another crucial consideration. While a spacesuit may feel weightless in the microgravity of space, it still has mass. A bulky and cumbersome suit can hinder an astronaut's mobility, making it difficult to perform tasks effectively. Engineers are constantly striving to reduce the weight of spacesuits without compromising safety or functionality. Spacesuits, a legacy of innovation. The evolution of spacesuits is a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of exploration. From rudimentary suits to advanced, highly mobile suits, innovation drives every advancement. Researchers are developing lightweight, flexible, and capable suits. Mars-ready suits are designed for the Red Planet's challenges. 3D printing allows custom-fit components, reducing waste and lead times. Self-healing materials can repair minor punctures, extending suit lifespan. Smart suits with sensors monitor vital signs and provide real-time feedback. Spacesuits symbolize human ambition, resilience, and our quest for knowledge.